Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new Toyota dual fuel pneumatic forklift, model number 8FGU18. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, give us a call right away. It has a base capacity of 3,500 pounds and it runs on dual fuel. Now in this case that's gasoline and LP. You'll see here that it has 4-way hydraulics, and this fourth hydraulic function is an open function for whatever you might need it for. And you'll see here that we have that automatic tilt level button that Toyota is famous for. While we're on this side, I'll show you that it has that cup holder as well as a paper clip over here. Now coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. Now this forklift will come with your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Now looking at these tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires, and coming up to the front, we have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside of the operator compartment, we have lots of creature comforts, including those dual rear view mirrors, as well as that steering wheel knob and a fully adjustable steering column. The seat is a fully adjustable, full suspension seat that adjusts in lots of ways, including the tilt and the suspension forwards and backwards. And you'll see here that it has that orange high visibility safety belt as well. And on that back pillar, we have that rear pillar handle with the horn that keeps a horn at your operator's thumb even when they're backing up. And on the back, we have lots of lights back here. You'll notice we have those combination lights that show your brake lights as well as your turn signals and your reverse light, and you'll hear the backup alarm. And of course we have that yellow LED strobe. Now as I mentioned, this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this truck or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available as well as other features that you need to know about.